Woo! Hello friends, how are you? Now you can see that how many vehicles are available for the review. Oh my god, I am just waiting to review all these vehicles. Can you please count it? How many vehicles are there? Roughly I must say there are 20 plus vehicles. Oh wow, and a helicopter as well. Oh my god, I am just loving it. Okay dear, let's start with the Lamborghini. Oh wow, it's a white color Lamborghini. Wow, there's smooth tires, 4 tires it is. And wow, an additional vehicle here. Oh wow, okay, now I'm going to open the door. Wow, it's really nice. Woohoo! Okay, now I'm going to play the sound of the Lamborghini. Wow, the front look at the front. Wow, what lights. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. Oh, what's that? Wow, there is additional disco light in the trunk. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. I just love its drive. Oh wow, it's so nice. Woohoo! Wow, what a front look. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. Look at that. Wow. Hey, the second one is the Dino Baby. Wow. It's so nice. The Dino Baby is very, very cool. Can you please tell me, have you liked this or not? Wow. It's like a monster truck. Look at the tires. Wow. So nice. Look at the teeth. Wow. The eyes. Wow. It's just looking like a real dinosaur. Wow. I just love it. Woohoo! I'm playing with the dinosaur. Okay. Wow. Now, the third one is the yellow one. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's a drag race car. And you see the color combination of yellow and black is too good. And look at the stickers. It's Schwaber written. Wow, it's so nice. Woohoo! I'm driving the drag race car. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, let me play the original sound so you can enjoy the video. Oh, the fourth one is the police drag race car. Wow. The police is really in a hurry to catch the thieves. Oh my god. It's so nice. The color combination of blue and black looks very, very good. Woohoo! Okay guys, we are in a hurry to catch the thieves. Okay, bye-bye. Can you please just play the siren? We just love the siren of police. Okay. Now, the baby monster car. Wow, it's a dragon monster. Woo-hoo. Wow, look at the exhaust. Zoom, zoom. Okay, let me play the sound. Woo-hoo. Wow, it's so nice. The color of the dragon is light green. Or I must say, the dragon usually look like a dinosaur. But I must say, in my opinion, it's not a dinosaur, it's a dragon. But we can say it can also be considered as a dinosaur. Woohoo! Look at the tires. Wow. Look at the sound of the tire. The next one is the family yellow car. Wow. It's so good. Okay, the family car is ready to go to the trip. Where are you going in your summer trip? Oh my god, I'll definitely go to some hilly areas or a jungle or a zoo where I must see some dinosaurs and lion and tiger. Oh, the father is ready to pick the babies. Okay, let me check the horn. Wow, it sounds too good. Wow, it's a good little family car with tires in blue color and the sitting is the black. Whole interior is in black color, and the outer is yellow. Oh wow, the lights got the red outlets. So nice. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. Now the next one is the baby Lamborghini. Wow. Look at the tires, look at the color, the white color, and the outline like red and black is very, very awesome. Oh my god, I just love it. Okay, let me play the sound of the baby Lamborghini. Okay, the next one is the ATV bike. Wow, it is just nice. Wow, look at the shine. It's a shiny color. Wow, the orange and black tires combination is really, really good. Oh my god. Wow, look at the steering. Wow, I'll definitely take it to some off-road. Oh my god, do you guys have your license to drive it? I must have. Wow, so good. Okay, let's check the sound. Oh wow, sound is also good. It's really nice. Woohoo! Wow. Okay, the outer part is the off-white color. Very, very nice. I just love my ATV bike. Okay. Woohoo! Now the next one is the Marcus Moto GP bike. Wow, look at the color. It's the Honda bike of Marcus, the world champion of Moto GP. Oh wow, it's really nice. Wow, look at the build quality. Wow, the moto is written, it's a certified motorbike of Moto GP. Wow, I'm just loving it. Wow, the big tires. Wow, it's so good. Okay, let's play the sound of the heavy bike. What should I pick now? Wow, Disney car. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's so good. It's a combination of red, white, and black color. The upper part is the red color, lower is the white one. And look at the tires. Wow, the front look is too good. I'm just loving it. Wow. Look at the interior. It's totally white color, but you have to make it clean every day just for the reason the color is white. Wow. Now, the red monster truck. It's a mini red monster truck. Wow, it's too good. Look at the interior. It's white color. Wow. Look at the shocks. Oh my god, the suspension is too good. Wow, look at the tire color. Look at the sound. Wow. Wow. It's really nice. Look at the front lights. Wow, it's too good. Backside is also good. Very, very nice. Oh, once again. Woo! Wow. Okay, now another heavy bike. Wow, it's really good. It's Nikki Hayden's bike. It's too nice. It's motor written on the top, and the red and green color is too good. It's too nice. Okay. Look at the tires. Wow, what a size of the tire. Oh my god, it's really nice. Wow. Woohoo! Now, the mini dinosaur. Wow, we have 3 silencers here. Zoom, 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 zoom. Wow. You see? It's it's really nice and flexible. Oh my god. Wow, what's that? Look at the teeth. Wow, the teeth are really sharp. Oh my god, it's really good. I just love it. Look at the tires. Wow. Look at the eyes. Wow. It's really look like a real dinosaur, baby. Oh my god, it's too nice. Now, the next one is the mud race bike. Oh wow. Too good. Look at the tire. The purple and the orange combination. Oh my god. It's really nice. Wow, there is additional little tire. You can see. Wow, the front look is also good. Wow, look at the chain. Look at the engine. There's something written on the back. Wow, the seat is also too good. Okay, there is a fuel tank. Oh my god, look at the shocks quality. Wow, it's really good. The blue BMW car. Oh my god, it's a hot car. Wow, look at the color. It's metallic blue color, and look at the pearl. Wow, it's really shining. Oh my god, it's really nice. Look at the front and back look. Oh my god, it's really good. Look at the tires. Wow, the color combination of metallic blue and black is awesome. Wow, let me play the sound of the BMW. Okay, now the green mini monster truck. Oh wow, look at the suspension. Wow, look at the tire curls, red and green. Wow, look at the sound. Really good. Wow, something is written upside the main part of the truck. Wow, it's really good. Okay, let's play the sound of a monster truck. Now I'm going to pick two mini monster dinosaur monster trucks together. Wow. Wow. It's too good. Oh wow, look at the teeth. Look at the color combination. It's a multicolor dinosaur. Wow. There are 4 to 5 colors and it's really good. Wow. Oh my god. And the other one. Wow. It seems like a mama monster truck. Oh wow. It's really good. Let's show them together. Oh wow. It's really good. And the size of both are equal. Wow. It's really nice. Now, the Mama Monster truck. Wow. It's the Dinosaur Mama Monster truck. Mama is really worried because we have reviewed the baby monster truck first. So, Mama is very worried about its children. Oh, wow. It's really nice. Mama is a little worried right now. Wow. Look at the build quality. Look at the rings inside it. Oh, wow. Really smooth. Wow. Actually, Mama is very decent and you know it's simple. Wow, look at the ring. Oh my god. Now the Dragon Mini Monster truck. Wow, look at the suspension. I just love its suspension. It just touches the ground, you know, you see. Wow, and the color combination of green and purple is also very appealing. Look at the dragon look at the teeth. Wow, these are really sharp. Oh my god. And look, wow, it's it's really good. There are many colors in this Dragon Mini Monster truck. Okay, let's check the sound. Oh wow, it's really good. Wow. Now it's time to pick the helicopter. Wow, it's a police helicopter. Woohoo! The police is going to catch the robbers. Wow, look at the sticker. Look at the color combination. Oh my god, it's really good. Look at the fan. Wow. Officer here, we are going to catch the robbers. Okay, officer, can you please play a helicopter sound for us? We were really thankful to you. Okay, dear, I'm just playing the sound of the helicopter. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, another mini monster truck. Wow, look at the suspension. It's too good. The color combination of red and black is just awesome. Look at the springs of suspension. Oh my god, it's really good. Wow. Okay, wow, it's really flexible. Wow, it's really good. Now we are left with 4 big vehicles here. Okay, I'm going to pick. What should I pick first? Can you please tell me in the comment section? I'm just waiting for 2 seconds for you. Okay. As someone said, I must go for fire extinguisher truck. Wow. Oh my god, it's just awesome. Look at the quality. It's a fire brigade rescue. Woohoo! We are here to save you. Wow. Look at the engine. Look at the fire extinguisher pipes. Wow. Look at the tank size. Wow, it's really good. Look at the tires. Oh my god, it's really good. Wow. Look at the steers. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's check this. Oh, wow. It's really awesome. Okay, let me play the sound of a fire rescue truck. Okay, wow. Now, the kitty truck. Wow, it's really good. Wow. There is a number plate behind it. It's a registered vehicle. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at the speed. Okay, let's just play it. Wow. Wow, it's really good. Woo-hoo. Let's do it again. Okay. Okay guys, I'm leaving. I'm just going to pick the students from the school. Okay, you can go. Wow. Now we have left with 2 vehicles. I must go with the trailer. Oh my god, it's too big and too heavy as well. Look at the build quality. It's road rage. Wow, look at the size of the tire. Wow. Oh my god, it's just awesome. Wow, look at the build quality. Oh my god, it's really good. Okay, the road rage is coming. Woohoo! Okay, let's turn the trailer. Wow, it's really nice. Woohoo! Very good. Okay. Nice. Let me take the other side. Wow. It's really, really, really good. Okay, guys, let's play the sound of a trailer. Woohoo! Look at the size. Oh my god. Okay, the last one is the monster truck. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, look at the suspension. It's really good. The additional tire. Wow. There's some surprise for you as well. Okay, you can see the lights. Wow, it's really good. Okay, there are disco lights inside. And I have a surprise for all of you. Ta-da! It's a remote control car. Wow! Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow, it's really good and really nice. Wow! Okay guys, we are just done with our review. Hope you would have liked my video. Can you please just subscribe my channel so I can upload more videos. You all, bye bye.